guys, welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween. Today's video is this fortune teller, so let's jump right in. Starting off, I've already done my brows, but I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D liner and I'm going to do hair-like strokes to make my eyebrows seem more bushy. Then taking my NYX Control Freak Brow Gel and I'm just going to set my brows in place. Now dipping into this purple shade, I'm going to tap that in and then blend out as my transition shade. And this is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Then to deepen my crease, I'm going to take this royal blue shade and blend that in. I'm using the same method to blend this in, but I am doing it much lower than my transition shade. Then taking my favorite highlight and I'm just going to use this to highlight my brow bone. Next, going in with this lighter blue shade, I'm going to tap that all into my lid and then start to blend it out. Now I'm taking this light blue shimmer and with my pinky, I'm going to blend that into the center of my lid. For foundation, I'm taking my NARS foundation and blending that in with a beauty blender. Then I'm going in with my Born This Way concealer and I'm putting that all over my T-zone and then blending it out with my Morphe beauty sponge. Now I'm taking that light blue shade and putting that all over my lower lash line. To blend it out, I am taking a bigger brush. This is like a blush brush and I'm putting purple on it and just blending it all the way down to my cheekbone. Then I'm going in with a fluffy blending brush just to add more pigment and make it overall even under my eye. Now going back into my Kat Von D liner and I am just creating a wing. I'm also going to be using this liner to draw out the veins under my eyes. All you have to do is literally just draw squiggly lines however you want. It doesn't matter. They're going to look like veins. Any way you do it however you want. There's no method to it. Just squiggly lines and that's it. Then I'm just taking some black shadow and blending that over my lower lash line. Then I'm just finishing up my highlight, taking my On The Cusp ColourPop highlight and just putting that on the high points of my face. After this, I'm going back in with that liner and I'm just going to draw symbols on my nose. I did this look last year, so I was using that picture as a reference. I basically just draw like a triangle, an X, some lines, some dots. It's pretty easy. You can do whatever you want. Now I'm going in with this purple MAC liquid lipstick and I'm just putting that on my lips. I don't know what this color is called because it got rubbed off, but yeah, just any dark lipstick. To finish this look, I'm just drawing the eye on my forehead. I started to run out of my Kat Von D liner, so it wasn't as pigmented as I wanted it to be, but I mean, what can you do? This is really hard to explain, so I'm just fast forwarding through it. Basically, just draw a line, put some white paint on the outside, draw the center circle, draw some lashes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is the completed look. I did get my headpiece from I think Spirit Halloween last year, and around me is literally just a scarf. And yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like it down below and also subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much and I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.
I love you.
Okay. You know that I have a third eye right now, so you know that you're lying.
Whatever.